Tripuri, the Burmas. The Deburma tribe is one of the largest and most prominent indigenous communities of Tripura. Belonging to the broader Tripuri ethnic group, the Deburmas have a rich cultural heritage, deeply rooted in the hills and valleys of the region. They speak Kokborok, the native language of the Tripuris, and follow distinct traditions, customs, and festivals that reflect their strong connection to nature and ancestral beliefs. Historically known as the Royal Clan of Tripuris, the Deburmas hold an important place in the state's cultural and political history. The Jamatia tribe is one of the major indigenous communities of Tripura, known for its strong social structure, discipline, and rich cultural heritage. Belonging to the larger Tripuri ethnic group, the Jamatia speak Kokborok and have traditionally lived in the hilly regions of the state. They are admired for their unique community governance called Jamatia Hora, which regulates social and cultural practices and helps maintain unity among people. And ladies and gentlemen, there we have Mr. Adong Jamatia, Mr. International India 2024. Please put your hands together, because Adong Jamatia has made not just us Tripurians but also all Indians proud. Next up we have the Riang tribe, also known as the Group, are one of the major indigenous communities of Tripura, recognized for their distinct cultural identity, traditional practices, and vibrant way of life. Believed to be among the oldest ethnic groups of the state, the Riangs primarily inhabit the hilly and forested areas of North, South Tripura and Dhalai. They speak a language belonging to the Tibeto-Burman family known as the unique folk songs, Hojagiri dance and colorful traditional attire.
Orono manai rutugai nakhai kumaja laibuma. Orono manai rutugai nakhai kumaja laibuma.
Next up we have the Tripura tribe. It is one of the oldest and most prominent indigenous communities of Tripura, from whom the state derives its very name. The Tripura people speak Kokborok and share deep historical and cultural roots that trace back to the ancient Tripuri kingdom. Traditionally agrarian, the community is known for its close relationship with nature. And they also celebrate festivals like Goriya Puja, Kher Puja, and the rich artistic expressions like music, dance, and attire. Noatia tribe. It is one of the recognized indigenous communities of Tripura, known for their distinct traditions, language, and cultural practices. Believed to be a subgroup of the larger Tripuri communities, the Noatias share linguistic and cultural similarities with other Tripuri clans and speak Kakborok.
Tuang itangi bosok kiri sawi jaman keke. Ucu kasih hakung kahar jak satu nogayani tini kakutum. Kotu matai jasa wana nono kanana de nubatum. Tiyo kanaya hawa kanaya tiyo aketang petu. Tuang itangi bosok kiri sawi jaman keke.
Next up we have the Chakma tribe. It is one of the major tribal communities of Tripura, known for their distinct cultural identity, language and traditions. The Chakmas have established a strong presence in the hilly regions of Tripura. They primarily follow Theravada Buddhism and their lifestyle beautifully reflects Buddhist values of peace, simplicity and harmony with nature.
Hamzat Nairogni, Serai Mung Nange, Kereng Bubani, Bahai Kakmani. Sawi Kenarine, Nono Angtini.
Next up we have the Kolai tribe. They are a sub-tribe belonging to the Halam community. The Kolai people traditionally practice jhum cultivation, locally known as hum, and their famous traditional cuisine is Chakwe Chartan. The traditional attire of Kolai women includes the Tak Borok Rignai, Takham Twi, Gamli Borok Mereng and Risha Pachak, while the traditional dress of Kolai men consists of Chithen and Gamli Borok Kafur.
Bekerang subui, kerang mani, pagno kecari, bisi wawaisya, pai binai hene. Kucu kasih hakung kahar jak satu, nogayani tini kakutum, kotu matai jasa wana nono, kanana de nubatum. Tiyo kanaya hau kanaya, tiyo aketang peti, jetuang nitangi bosok kere, sawi jaman kege. Sawi kelangka kubang ma kothoma orono manai rutugai nakai kumaja labuma orono manai rutugai nakai.
Next up we have the Mog tribe. The Mog tribe of Tripura is known for its rich culture, deep-rooted traditions and warm hospitality. They mainly inhabit the hilly regions of South, North and Gomati districts of the state. The Mog community has preserved a unique cultural identity that reflects both Arakanese and Tripuri influences. Their traditional cuisine includes distinctive dishes such as fermented fish curry, bamboo shoots and sticky rice, showcasing their close connection with nature and local produce. Here we have the Mog tribe. Coming up next on stage is the Sandal tribe. They are one of the prominent tribal communities of eastern India belonging to the Austro-Asiatic Munda linguistic group. Originally from regions of present-day Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha, the Santals migrated to Tripura during the colonial period mainly as agricultural laborers and forest workers. The Santhals are known for their hard-working nature, rich folklore, music, dance traditions. Their language, Shautali, is written in Old Chiki script and is distinct from the Tibeto-Burman languages spoken by most Tripura tribes. And they celebrate festivals like Sohrai, Baha and Karam.
Naya tiyo ang katang perto, jatuang nitang ibosok kere, sawi jaman kegere.
Next up is the Lushai, also known as Mizo. The Mizo tribe of Tripura is one of the prominent indigenous communities sharing deep ethnic and cultural ties with the Mizos of neighboring Mizoram. Belonging to the Tibeto-Burman ethnic group, the Mizos of Tripura are known for their rich traditions, strong community bonds, and the love for music and dance. They primarily inhabit the Jumpoi Hills in North Tripura, a region celebrated for its scenic beauty and the famous Orange Festival.
Bugotog regna, henay thang puro, kanay malaylay, sumay tanglay ma. Hamzab nairogni, saray mong nage, kereng bubani, bahay kagmani.
Next up we have the Murasing. The Murasing among the greater Tibrasa ethnic groups, they speak Kokborok. Their attire reflects colorful hand-woven kamchulai, rignai and risha, adorned with traditional motifs. Deeply rooted in nature and tradition, the Murasing maintains a vibrant culture of unity, respect and simplicity. They follow Hinduism blended with animistic beliefs, worshipping nature and ancestral spirits.
Tashu musikla, kakoy lay mani, bibino takugo, jobiton mani. Nuay ni thani, bekerang sane, keteng pampuy bray, bekerang sugoy, kerang mani, pagno kecari, bisi wawaisya, pay pinay hinay.
Next up we have the Garo tribe. It is one of the vibrant indigenous communities known for their distinct culture, traditions and close connection with nature. Originally belonging to the greater Garo Hill region of Meghalaya, the Garos have also made their home in parts of Tripura, particularly in Dhalai and North Tripura districts. And they primarily follow a matrilineal system where lineage and inheritance are traced through the mother's line, a unique aspect of their social structure. After the Garo tribe, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having the Kuki tribe. What a beautiful presentation. Next up, the Kuki tribe of Tripura. It is one of the major indigenous communities of Tripura belonging to the larger Tibeto-Burman ethno-linguistic group of northeast India. Historically, the Kukis are believed to have migrated from the hill regions of Myanmar and adjoining areas of Manipur, eventually settling in different parts of Tripura, especially in the districts of North Tripura, Dhalai and Jumpoi Hills. Traditionally, the Kukis have been hill dwellers and agriculturists, practicing chum cultivation on the slopes. They live in well-organized village communities under the leadership of a village chief, reflecting a strong sense of unity and social discipline.
Tini kakuto, koto mateja sawana na kana na de nubato.
Known for their rich cultural heritage and unique cuisine and customs. Their main language is Darlong. They have their own unique music and dance forms. The main cuisine includes pork intestines, bamboo shoots and other organic vegetables with fermented pork belly and fermented fish rice. They also have their own festival, Darlong Parla Kut, sharing their rich culture, and YDA India, that is a Darlong tournament, and DYF, Darlong Youth Festival. Their traditional attire is skilled handloom weaving, with tops stitched with traditional cloth and headgear.
Hene thang puru kene ma lai lai samai tang lai ma.
The next up is the Halam tribe. This community is one of the major tribal groups of Tripura, belonging to the greater Kuki-Chik ethnic family of the Tibeto-Burmese origin. They also have several sub-tribes such as Kalai, Molsong, Kaipeng, Ronglong and others. They have a rich cultural heritage reflected in their folk songs, dances and traditional festivals.
Khakoi lai mani bibi no takhugo jobe tamani.
Next up is the Rupini tribe. It is one of the lesser known indigenous communities of Tripura, belonging to the Harari group of tribes. They are part of the larger Kuki-Chin Mizo ethnic family and speak a dialect related to Kokborok, the common tribal language of our state. Traditionally, the Rupinis practice jhum cultivation in the hilly regions and led a simple, community-oriented lifestyle. Their culture, festival and social customs closely resemble of the other Halam sub-tribes.
Jatuang ni tangi bosok kere sawi jangan kekere Dongai matang sawi kelangka kubang ma kotoma Orono manai rutu gine kai kumaja lebuma Orono manai rutu gine kai kumaja lebuma Orono manai rutu gine kai kumaja lebuma.
Next up we have the Rangkhals. They are a sub-tribe of the Halam community in Tripura, also known in parts of Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. They share close ethnic and cultural ties with the Chin, Kuki, Mizo groups. In Tripura, they are mainly concentrated in Khowai, Dholai and Shipahijala districts. Traditional dances are Buthar Phamna, bamboo dance, and they reflect the vibrancy of their artistic heritage, just like Unity Promo Fest. Next up we have the Uchoi tribe. The Uchoi is one of the beautiful indigenous communities of Tripura, known for their rich cultural heritage. Believed to have migrated from the Arakan Hill region, present-day Myanmar. The Uchoi people have settled mainly in the hilly areas of South Tripura, particularly in the Amarpur and Belonia subdivision. Traditionally, the Uchoi practice jhum cultivation on hill slopes, and the society is organized into several clans, each maintaining its distinct identity and customs. Moving on towards the Munda. The Munda tribe of Tripura is one of the significant tribal communities residing mainly in the hilly and forested regions of the state. Believed to have migrated from the Chota Nagpur Plateau region, the Mundas are known for their hard-working nature and rich cultural traditions. Presenting the Munda.
Bugo togrek na henay thang puro kanay malaylay sumay tanglay ma hamjat nai rokni serai mong nagay kereng bubarni bahay kakmani
Next up,
awi khanari na
the Manipuri. Originating from the neighboring state of Manipur, the Manipuris have made a significant contribution to Tripura's cultural and social fabric. They speak Manipuri and are well known for their rich traditions in dance, music and art, and especially for the world-famous classical dance form, Manipuri classical dance. Their festivals like Lai Harauba Yaoshan and Ningol Chakauba reflect deep respect for nature.
Thasu mu segla khakoi lai mani bibi no takhugo jobe ton mani nuai ni thani bekerang sane keteng pham pui bai bekerang subui kelamani kokno kecari bisi wa aisha phai pi nai henai kuchuka se hapong ka hajak satung nugayani tini khakutum kothoma thaisa sawana nono khanana de batum.
Next up is the Bengali. The Bengali community is the largest and most vibrant cultural group in Tripura. They speak Bangla or Bengali, the official language of Tripura, and are known for their festivals like Durga Puja, Poila Boishakh, Kali Puja, celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing their deep cultural roots. The harmonious blend of Bengali and indigenous traditions has shaped Tripura's unique identity as a land of unity, diversity, and shared heritage, presenting our indigenous ramp show. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we are about to witness a re-entry of all the performers